YouTube? It's your girl Amber Victoria, back with another video. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell button so you'll be notified when I post new videos. Excuse my whole appearance, you guys. It's been a really long day. I need to get my hair done. I'm working on my figure. If you haven't already, check out my wet waist video that I just posted of me trying this on initially. So today's video is something that I promised to do for my Instagram followers. A few weeks ago, I posted on Instagram my Fiverr account and how much I was making on there. A lot of people was asking me about it, so I told them I would just drop a video about it on my YouTube channel. So if you aren't already following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at nurse_amber with 2 R's. So I'm gonna put y'all out. This gonna be free game. Everybody go download the Fiverr app. I'm putting y'all on, make y'all some extra side money, a little side hustle, whatever you want it to be. Okay, so let me put this on do not disturb, cause motherfuckers bothering me. Fiverr, Fiverr. So basically Fiverr is a online marketplace where businesses are connected with like freelancers to do like digital services, like online services basically. So this is a quick, easy way to make money. It's on your time type of thing. So that's why I love Fiverr. I do it when I can, when I want to. You charge however much you want to. So let's go ahead and get into the app. I think I've been doing Fiverr for like 2 or 3 months. It hasn't been that long. I initially set up my account on a laptop or whatever, and then once I got everything set up, I just use my app. Now basically on Fiverr, you set up gigs. You make your account as a seller if you're trying to make money. You can also set up an account as a buyer. Okay, so you'll do your profile, make yourself sound good, whatever you're good at, ladies and gentlemen, whatever you're good at, post it as a gig. You can post up to 7 gigs at a time. For example, my most popular gig that I'm doing on like an everyday basis is my model promotion gig, where I do different products, clothing, hair, all of that. Basically what that gig is, I posted that you send me your product, I will model with it, demo it, review it, unbox it, try it on, whatever, picture, video style, however you want it done, to help you promote your product, send you the footage so that you can post it on your websites, or I can post it on my social media, whatever. Businesses contact me via Fiverr. We communicate on what they want, and I be like, okay, cool. You set your prices for however fucking much you want them to pay. So I started off real low, you know what I'm saying, $10, $20, because I didn't really know. I was new. I was like, I don't know if anybody even gonna click on my shit, because there are hundreds of people, there are hundreds of freelancers like me doing the same damn thing. Now I'm charging like $50, $75, $80, $100 for these gigs, right? For these videos and shit, because the shit does take time. I do edit some of them. They pay you directly through Fiverr. There is a 2-week period where you have to wait for your money that's pending. It's called a pending clearance, and then once it clears, you're able to withdraw it into your bank account or PayPal, whatever you want. I use PayPal because PayPal is free to transfer. 2-week period is not that big of a deal for me, because most of us wait 2 weeks to get our paycheck on a regular job. So yeah, so this is what I can withdraw right now. That's $78. This is what's pending, $200 and something. I have to wait for it to clear, and then it'll jump up there and I can withdraw. I can withdraw at any point in time I want to, but I'm just waiting for that to clear, and then I'll withdraw all of it. I currently have 4 active orders that's worth $140 that I have to do. So here are my orders. I'm getting ready to do these 2 today, and it lets you know when they're due. You set up the delivery time. Like, it's all based on you. If you think you can get it done in 3 days, you set 3 days. If you think it's gonna take you a month, you set a month. It's all up to you. So just an example of all the things that you could put on Fiverr that you do: flyers, photoshopping, tattoo design, banners, invitations, any type of design. So if you're good at graphic and design, I highly suggest that you use Fiverr, because those gigs be booming. You are good at like modeling, or if you're not good at modeling, because I'm not really good at modeling, I just love doing reviews and products and promotion and shit. So that's why I started doing that. You can do that, boo. So one of my other gigs on Fiverr is a virtual friend. When I tell you can put anything on Fiverr, boo, you can put anything on there. People pay me to be their virtual friend. A lot of people will pay you to do Amazon reviews, digital marketing, social media marketing. Ooh, writers, if you're a good writer, people pay you to do a paper, review a paper, edit articles, blogs, all of that. Video animation, I have done medical transcribing because I am a nurse, but you can transcribe anything. People will give you different things to transcribe, like school lectures, programming, WordPress, website builders. People will pay thousands on Fiverr to build them a website. Virtual assistants, data entry, that's one of my gigs. People will pay you for any fucking thing. And everybody just trying to get their name, their brand, their business out there. I've already made hundreds of dollars off Fiverr in the amount of time that I have been using it, and I don't even use it every day. I could use it more, but I don't, just because I don't like to overpower myself with stuff, and I already feel like I'm a very busy person. If I missed something, if you have any further questions, if you need some help getting started, whatever the case may be, send me a DM on Instagram, or you can just comment below. I hope I answered enough or giving y'all enough detail where at least you'll look into Fiverr. This is free game. It's a lot of money in this world. We all can get it. I hope this video was helpful to someone out there. You guys, give me a thumbs up. If you feel like you're gonna check out Fiverr, give me a thumbs up. Just give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting me, you guys. And comment some video ideas that you want me to do in 2020. It's a new year. I'm still coming with it. Still trying to be consistent. Go ahead and subscribe and share this video. We all gonna get this money, baby. Peace. It's a whole marketing, advertising world. I don't know. I'm not a business major. I don't even know what the fuck I'm saying. But I feel like it's been a minute. But it actually really, my boobs are so big. I'm trying to push them down.